Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So after a very long time, Stellar XLM starting moving upward in the last 24 hours, but the current condition is gonna be again bad now, and you can see especially from last 7 days also minus 14.66% pairs down just in only in the last 24 hours. 9.27% price is increasing now, so it's a very big change now, my friend, in the price. And you can see a change occur will be last 1 hour, so minus 0.71% the price is decreased now. It's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time there is more chances to them moving upward, but don't see the short fails, short jumps, because I am 100% sure to upcoming time they will give you very good profit. Now you can see, my brother, this time the chart is on the screen. This chart is completely showing, my brothers, to upcoming time they will make you a millionaire. You know why? Because if they're moving in this chart, absolutely definitely, my friend, this is possible to they will give you 5 to 10, my brother, 5 to 10 I think x absolutely. So if they give you 5 to 10 x, oh my goodness, it's a massive change occur now, my brother, so they will make you a millionaire now. So holders, don't see this short fail. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will move upward, but if you see this short fails, then absolutely you cannot take a very good profit. I hope, my friend, like this jump, absolutely they take a very next jump now, so you need to hold, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Still XLM holder, if we check out the alert, then let's see, my brother, there is no alert, but if we check out the details, so there is available on the all the decisions, all the information about, my friends, especially details of Stellar XLM. So you want to check out, so therefore read this, my brother. All right, so if we check out back out, my brother, let's see what's going on this time, my friend. The current condition is going to be very good now, so hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope in upcoming time this coin is also moving upward, so you need to hold it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.